So few moments back, I got fired up because of some mockery, some unworthy people who runs a prostitution. They what do you call it? Some mockery was happened. Look, my job was. My job was to expose the sextortion racket connected to the prostitution. Did I show the connection? Yes or not? Yes or no? One single answer. I only have to expose this stuff. The, do the sextortion racket is connected to prostitution racket? Yes or no? Tell me. Did I expose it in high profile areas? Did I expose it? Yes or no? The prostitution which runs is run by sextortion racket, yes or no? Sextortion racket with hidden bugs, yes or no? I'll tell you how the things run. This sextortion racket, I had no clue about their sextortion racket. But their prostitution racket, I knew it in 2014. Yes, they do prostitution. Prostitutes in high profile areas where different genders do prostitution. So you have to confirm. Huh? So that's where the things get exposed. And I got escape from message planting. That's how I got escape from message planting. Cops said we are not taking any what do you call it? This message planting charges, nothing. They kicked everyone out. Same way, I got that thing that their lawyer has left their case. I got that thing as well. Some notification I got. They go in for few people. Why will I destroy everyone else's dreams? The the one who deleted data. Who was doing this extortion? Why they were doing it? For property and files. Why they were doing it? For property and files. Did you get this? Why they were doing this extortion? For property and files. I had no clue they were the sextortion racket, but I know they were the prostitution racket. In 2014. So the one who is connected over here in deletion of data and with the clone keys is connected to that sextortion racket and the be careful, guys. Be careful from such people. Be careful from such stuff. These are the people who wanted to create race riots. These are the people who is connected to West. Did exactly as the West told them to do. Living among you here. Huh? So ऐसे कुत्तों की वजह से मैं बाकी लोगों को नुकसान क्यों करूं? एवरीवन हैज देयर ड्रीम्स, गो एंजॉय. इन कुत्तों को भी साथ में रखो, पर घर में कभी लेना नहीं इनको, समझा? ऐसे कुछ रहेगा ना, जिनको मालूम है क्लोन कीज वाले कौन है, तो उनको ज़रा दूर ही रखना. The moment they find you achieved and you got rich, they are gonna come for you. That's why I'm setting in barriers for the West. आपस में क्या है मैं नहीं कर सकता है, आपस का ये you know better, मैं नहीं कर सकता. और मेरे बारे में बोलने गया ना, so this is my second surgery. Then after that I'm giving the clearance and what do you call? I'll go for healing and then you have no clue where I'll land up. No one has any clue. If you say every territory wants me, why? You know me what I am. And I didn't do wrong with, what do you call it? Anything. Even after being a Marathi must have said that क्या रे सबको सबके लिए क्यों कर रहा है पर मैं क्यों बिकॉज दे नो स्टेट का एनवायरनमेंट खराब होएगा यू नो स्टेट का वातावरण खराब होएगा लफड़े झगड़े का काम हो जाएगा इन फ्यूचर किसको चाहिए ये गरीब मरते ऐसे लोग मादर चोद है हम्म? So I'll do the best thing of saving, what do you call it, giving clearance and saving innocence, and you save yourself from such cloners. Phone cloners, key cloners, and your life cloners. They want to say they are the artist. They wrote Content Streets, living here and writing about Chembur. Chutiya. Be careful. Hmm? I've set on a barriers. I've set things as well that if anyone tries to stop you, directly press charges for the nudes and their prostitution for the West. West runs those prostitution. तो डायरेक्टली प्रेस चार्जेस अगर किसी ने तकलीफ दिया तो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम गिविंग द क्लियरेंस तो I ask only one question. Did I do my job right, yes or no? Is the sextortion racket connected to the prostitution racket, yes or no? Where I was wrong? So that threat which they gave of nudes was right or wrong? In Chembur, after my cousin's funeral. Right or wrong? Immediately, how did they know I was going to be there in their territory? Because it's their territory. They run the business over there. Save yourself from the key cloners, save yourself from the data stealers, save yourself from these blackmailers and sextortion racket. Blackmailing me is very hard, and it became harder in 2022. Police was like kicking everyone out. We are not taking any woman charges on him. Get out. मैसेज प्लांटिंग पहले 10-15 दिन तो मेरे ऊपर बहुत गुस्सा थे मैं एक पुलिस स्टेशन जा रहा हूँ मुझे ही गुस्से से देख रहे हो मसला क्या है धीरे 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 समझ में आ रहा था कि ये क्या कर रहे हैं माई कार्ड वर्कड and you don't know who I'll see next. What do you call it? If I go from here and I expect no disturbance, बस हो गया अभी ये जो वेस्ट वाले हैं ना जो कनेक्टेड है उनका कुछ करियर नहीं है उनको सिर्फ भीख चाहिए भीख जो वेस्ट वालों से कनेक्टेड है उनको सिर्फ भीख चाहिए पैसों की पैसा प्रॉपर्टी दे दिया पर उन लोगों को भी दिया है जो डिसेंटली काम करते हैं तो दे शुड वर्क गुड दे शुड डू गुड इन देयर लाइफ लुक गुड विल ऑलवेज हैपन टू गुड पीपल so that's what I wish in this territory but be careful from such people and I did my job right my job was to expose fuck man when will I write this stuff